Hello little chess champs, are you ready to explore one of the most exciting moments in chess? Today we are learning about check when the king is in danger and how stay safe. Let's get started. So what happened when the king is in the check? When the king is in danger from an opponent piece, we call it being in check. But don't worry, the king always has way to escape. What does check means? The king is being targeted by an opponent piece. Let's see. We'll keep it here. The king is targeted by an opponent piece. The player must make a move to get out of the check before doing anything else. So, king can move here, king can move here, but king can't move here. So, king can move here. Here, king can move here. So the rules to remember: the king can't move into danger, so it can never where it can be attacked. Two king can't stand next to each other. They need their space. So king can't be like this. They need some space. What happened if you forget? If the king is left in check or move into danger by mistake, the move is undone. The game goes back to the position before the mistake. Did you know you don't have to say check during the game? It is not a rule, but many players say it for fun. So we need to remember 3 ways to get out of from the check. The number 1 is move the king to the safer square. The king can step 1 square where it won't be in danger from any opponent piece. Let's say here. The second thing is block the attack. Let's say, so king is on check, block the attack. So place one of your pieces between the king, attacking piece. It's like building a shield to protect the king. Or third, capture the attacker. Use the king or any other pieces to capture the opponent piece. That's putting king in check. For example, if we have a piece here, knight, so it can capture the bishop. So we need to remember 3 things: move the king to the safe square, block the attack, or capture the attacker. Always think ahead to protect your king and plan to safe escape when it is in check. Great job, little chess champs. Now you know what it means to be in check and how to escape safely. Remember, keeping your king safe is the key to winning the game. Happy learning, little chess champ. See you next time.